Rebecca Parrott and Zied Hakimi were all smiles recently when the 90-day fiancé couple hiked to a beautiful waterfall, and they also teased big news in the comment section of their Instagram post. Some fans have accused Rebecca and Zied of faking their happy married life, but the couple looked like they were having a great time together on their day trip. The pair has been enjoying life in Georgia with outings like this. The controversial couple first debuted in the franchise on 90 Day Fiancé. Before the 90 days, and though they faced some tough times, Rebecca and Zied were finally married on 90 Day Fiancé Season 8. Unlike some of their Season 8 co-stars, Rebecca and Zied have mostly stayed away from TLC cameras and have been adjusting to married life. As a newly minted American, Zied has gotten a new car, enjoyed American holidays and even hit the gun range, so it appears he's settling well into life stateside. Zied and Rebecca are very active on social media and recently posted a few pictures from their trip to High Shoals Falls in Dallas, Georgia. Rebecca described the falls as one of her new favorite places, and added that the beautiful waterfall was just a short hike from the road. Despite famous 90s girl group TLC's advice to not go chasing waterfalls, Rebecca and Zied made the right call because from the photos it looked like a gorgeous day for a trip to the falls. Rebecca interacted with followers who commented on the post, with most of them gushing over how pretty the falls were and how happy the couple looked. One fan said the couple should visit St. Petersburg, Florida, and Rebecca replied, "We might be moving to Florida." Rebecca is a longtime Georgia resident, so leaving her home state would be a big move. Luckily, Florida borders Georgia, so Rebecca would still be close to family. The 90 Day Fiancé star didn't reveal any further details or a time frame of when she and Zied are considering moving, so it must be early on in the planning stages. Still, it would be a big change and could be a sign that perhaps their franchise and cameo income is giving them more options in life. Fans have questioned the couple's relationship and criticized Rebecca for being jealous and insecure, but based on this recent evidence, it looks like the 90 Day Fiancé couple is finally in a stable place.